welcome back. I'm Mikaela. And I'm Brittany, and today we're going to go over our January Ipsies, so let's just jump into it.
So this month, they look like this. They kind of look like a running shoe.
They feel like,
I don't know, it's like a little shoelace.
They
this
feel like
like
the
a
mesh
plastic
on a running shoe.
This is like a plastic tab. It's cute.
Yeah.
It's not my personal favorite, but it's cute.
It looks like, I don't know if this is just me, but it looks like a great, like a bag that someone would carry like their tampons and stuff in their purse.
To like the gym or something.
Yeah,
it looks like something you would take to the gym. Like put your keys and your tampon in here, your gym card, I don't know.
And their little thing says game face on it, and then it says I will conquer blank, so fill in the blank.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so the biggest thing in my bag is this. It is a charcoal wash-off mask from Global Beauty Care, it says. 15-minute facial therapy. Awesome. I love charcoal masks, and there's a lot in here. You could easily get 2 out of this.
Yeah.
So, sweet.
My first thing is liquid lipstick by So Susan Cosmetics. Liquid matte, long wear liquid lipstick in pumpkin is the thing.
It's a pretty color.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
What does it smell like? It kind of looks like the color I'm wearing.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty.
Oh, this color's a little more pink.
Smell. What does that smell like?
Like
food or dessert.
Like it smells like a fruit smoothie, like a Jamba Juice.
Yeah.
It smells like Jamba Juice.
It smells good, but yeah, I've never tried this brand before.
Is it supposed to be matte or just?
Yeah, liquid matte. So I think it'll dry down matte.
Nice.
But it's a pretty color.
It is really pretty.
It's called Pumpkin. They're cruelty free. So I've never tried this brand before, but I'm excited.
Alright, I got a second skincare item. This one says Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with Brown Sugar, Sweet Almond, and Oats.
Ooh.
And I personally love getting these mini cleansers. So I'm all about it.
I also have a skincare item. This is Dermalect Microfacial Exfoliating Mask.
Oh.
I've never had an exfoliating mask, but
That's cool. Oh yeah, I didn't smell mine.
it doesn't really smell like anything, but fun.
I wonder if this will smell like
Multi-brightening complex instantly restores dull, lackluster looking skin to luminous and radiant.
Next thing I got is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's the Stay Put Brow Gel. And it looks like, there's a little brush in the cap.
It's kind of like the Benefit thing where it comes
but
off.
instead of like an angled brush, this looks like a flimsy eyeliner brush or small
But
lip
it's a
brush.
brow gel?
That's what it says in the color Cardamom. Let's see. It looks
Cardamom.
kind of dark.
Plastic.
Oh
That's
wow,
a tiny
it's
little
so tiny. Let's see if we can.
Is anything happening?
A little. Oh, it's actually, I think the color might be good. Like I tried to build it up and make it a little darker there, but it's a lighter color.
Might be a little light for our brows.
Maybe. I'll try it. Why not?
Yeah.
And it's so tiny and adorable. I love things that are in miniature size.
My next thing is Kajal Vasanti Waterline Eyeliner, Intense Black. So it's just an eyeliner, one of these rolly crayon ones. I mean, it does look very black. It's really soft, so
Oh, nice.
can never have too many eyeliners.
No, and I like those kind you don't have to sharpen them.
Yeah.
I got an eyeliner too. It's a liquid liner. Ciate London Fierce Flicks. I feel like this is the one that you got.
Yeah, except I think mine were gold. I swear they were gold, stars and stuff, but maybe they weren't. But mine's all rubbed off because I've used it, but it still works, and I got it months ago. It was a good eyeliner.
I don't know how to open this. There's not a little perforated spot. It's Mikaela proof.
Yeah, there's not a perforated spot.
Sorry, and I can bust out the tweezers on it later or
Yeah.
something.
Okay.
Awesome. Love liquid liner.
So,
Although I'm not wearing any.
Yeah. So my next thing is the Mary Luminizer,
Same.
aka the Luminizer, from the Balm, and it's like a little highlight.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
It's a little powdery, but it is pretty.
It's more subtle,
Yeah.
but looks nice.
Like a
Have to
golden
try it.
champagne.
And it's
color.
a decent size because a lot of the time the stuff from the Balm is
Or
like
you half this.
that.
Yeah.
And you can't, like, how are you even supposed to get a brush in there?
You can't.
So.
Well, maybe like eyeshadow brush.
Yeah.
All right.
then-
Not bad.
My last thing is an eyeshadow from Artiste in the shade Posse. Oh, it comes with a little thingy, and I can't really see good, but it's a good amount. Let's see. It's pretty.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, I could have used
It's
this
like
one.
a pretty, like, shimmery, pinky mauve. Would you say it's kind of mauve? Or
Yeah.
oh, yeah, the little sponge goes on good
It's
too.
more spongy, like squishy spongy than like
Yeah.
those ones from when we
That's
were
a pretty
kids.
color.
Yeah. From Artiste.
That's a giant eyeshadow too. I
It
feel like
is.
normally we get little teeny tiny ones.
Yeah. So fun.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I feel like it was a pretty successful bag. I'm excited to try a bunch of this stuff. So
Yeah. We
Yeah.
love getting our Ipsy bags. If
We
you
do.
love getting your Ipsy bag, give this video a thumbs up and let us know what you got in the comments down below.
and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.